What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to link joint bank accounts to Digit. Digit makes it easy to link joint bank accounts so that you and your partner can save together seamlessly. Let me show you how it's done. So start by logging into your Digit app and navigating to the account section, and there you're going to select add accounts and then choose your bank from the list. And when prompted, you're going to enter the joint account login credentials that both account holders share. Digit will then securely connect to your joint bank account and begin analyzing your transactions. Once linked, you can create shared saving goals that both of you can contribute towards automatically. You can track the progress of these joint goals in real time from either of your Digit apps. Now, this feature is perfect for couples, roommates, or anyone managing shared expenses and savings. Remember, Digit uses bank level encryption to keep your joint account safe and private. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Digit tips. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. See you guys in the next one.